Page 34, Overture, or it's an excerpt from the Walt Dream. At the top of the page, they're talking about two other composers, two other Strausses. No relation to the Walt Strausses that we just covered. These are completely different. You got Oscar and you got Record. Not Richard, it's Record Strauss. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. Get that out of the way. Just make sure we cover all that. And then the right hand, notes and rhythms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they want third finger. And then 1. Now again, there's other fingerings we can use. For instance, I could do this. I could just stay here. Third finger. And then come down. Rather than third, just come down with fourth finger. I don't have to cross over the thumb. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. And again. 4 in the second line. I like this fingering. So if you take all 4 of those notes together, that's the chord. It's a C chord. Second version, extended, whatever. And that's the fingering. So that's, yeah. And then they sing third finger because I just said fourth. And then fourth finger. Both of those E's are flatted though. That flat is good for the whole measure. And then fourth finger. See, that using the fourth finger on the half note just helps us with the next measure. Left hand just has the chords. You got the C chord, and the 1 sus4 is what it's called. It's just here. Normally we think it would be here, but it's not. You're keeping on the C. Second line, you're here in the second measure. It's an F sharp. That sounds lovely, don't it? And then here. See, the sharp in the second measure, that's good for the whole measure. And the next measure, it's a natural. They gave you the natural sign. They don't have to. It's a natural anyway, but okay. It's good that they do give it because you might think it was an error in the music or something. It should still be a sharp. So it's, you know, they're just being clear. Put the hands together. Second line here. Yes, that's really what he wrote. Not my fault. Let's go on. Talk about tension. Okay. Really, it's a full diminished chord. That's what it is. I mean, it's not so bad when you think about the whole chord. It's just this arrangement. It sounds ugh. Then we add the staccatos and stuff. Wrist here. Short. Now, second measure, they have a staccato and a slur, both on the first note. I think that's an error. I don't think they meant to have the staccato. If you look at the last measure, there's no staccato there. I think that should be a slur. So it's. Tenuto line, just linger on that. Just linger on that note. You don't have to put any stress on it, just linger on it. Dynamics, it's loud in the right hand. Keep the left hand down a little bit. The whole thing's pretty much loud. You can get a little louder and softer as you feel it, but it's on the loud side. And speed, vivace is very fast. Whatever you feel very fast is. Whatever you feel vivace is. Go find the recording of the Walt's Dream and listen to the orchestra play it, and you'll get an idea what it is. I'm sure different orchestras will play it at different speeds too, so it might help if you listen to different recordings. No pedal, of course, because we're doing staccatos and stuff. I'd like to play it with you very, very slowly to just check all the notes and everything. Well, there are no dynamics to speak of, but I'll give us 4 counts. Let's go over it slowly. 1, 2, ready, go.